Hello everyone. I promised to come on and give you a complete flip through of how this little travel journal came out. As you know, I used magnets in here to attach it so that it can grow and get bigger in case the pockets get all filled up. And it's got a nice big flap so that it can wrap around lots of flyers and things like that. So I just was going to do a really quick flip through of it. The pockets have tag, and let me just pull them out one at a time. There's a tag that goes in the big pocket that's right here. There are tags in all these little pockets, like so. This happens to be a little tiny book. It's just a little one-page zine style book. In this pocket, this is actually a little notebook so that I have room to write. And I didn't put a lot of stuff in here because the point is to gather the things on our journey. This is more tags. Fun little. This one's another little notebook. And I'm sure there'll be maps and flyers for different places we visit. That's another little tag. This is another little notebook. It's got lots of different, it's like a little waterfall. You saw me making that one. Another big tag. And like I said, I just put one tag in each spot, really, because I knew I'd be adding things to here. And I can always stick in some plain paper too, or put papers on here if I need to. And there's lots of room for additions. I didn't want to get it too full. So that is my flip through of my little travel journal that I promised, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to read you a quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity little book. You cannot touch the hearts of others unless you yourself are able to laugh and to cry. Okay guys, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.